Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted garlic chicken drumstick. I have 4.5 pound chicken drumsticks. These are fresh. I'm going to take out the skin. I'm going to use a tandoori masala. I'm going to use granulated garlic, ground nutmeg, then I'll be using spices for my masala dabba. Let's get started. I'll take out the chicken drumstick. I'm going to remove the skin. You can keep the skin on as a personal choice. I like skin on, but the kids don't like it, so I always take it out. With the fresh chicken, it's really easy. The skin comes out. I'm going to finish removing all the skin from the drumsticks. What I have done, I removed the skin and I washed with the cold water and I pat it dry. So what I will do, I'll get a cutting board, and this is really important that I'm going to get each piece, I'm going to make cut like these. The whole reason I'm doing it, because when we're going to marinate our drumstick, it's going to taste well, because all the masala, the ingredients, they will go inside, and when we're going to eat the drumstick, they will be very tasty. So I'm going to finish cutting up these. I made 2 to 3 cuts on each drumstick. Now we're going to bring the spices. 1 teaspoon salt, and that you always can adjust according to your taste. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. 1 and this is 2. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. That's going to give us nice garlic flavor. Perfect. Store-bought tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon. This is going to give us a nice color. Ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. And now we're going to mix it all. We're going to make sure that it's nicely coated. I'm going to let it sit on a countertop for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to mix it again. Then we're going to leave it another 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to share with you how to make it juicy and moist chicken drumsticks. I'm going to get my tray and I'm going to put it inside. And I'm going to fill up with hot water. This is really important. Many people question my cooking, that when I cook, I can cook my chicken or any meat within half an hour. If you follow the easy step method, then you will have your chicken or any meat juicy, moist, tender. To fill up tray with hot water, and as you can see, all the steam is coming out. This is really important step, so please don't miss it. Now we're going to close it. I'm going to turn the light on so you can see the trays in there. And we're going to set bake, and we're going to set the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to start it, and we're going to preheat our oven. This is really important. We have our oven preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the water is boiling hot. And now we're going to bring our chicken tray. Our chicken has been marinated for 20 minutes. So I'm going to get the tray and I'm going to lay out the chicken drumstick, just like this. So all the chicken drumsticks are nicely laid out. And now we're going to take this one to our oven. Be careful when you're going to open the oven, it's going to be hot, steamy. So just be careful, don't burn yourself. Look at this. I'm going to place my tray on top of the hot water, and I'm going to bring the tray lever back and we're going to let it sit. Now the time is 8:57 and we're going to come exactly 30 minutes. So 9:27, our chicken will be ready and then I'm going to share with you. It's exactly half an hour, it's 9:27 and our chicken is fully cooked and I'm going to turn off the oven and I can show it to you. So be careful when you open it, don't burn yourself. It's going to be real hot. Wow, look at that, steaming hot. You don't really need to do anything. You can pull it as is, but if you want, you can turn it over. And our oven is off. We're just going to let it sit like 5 minutes. I'm just going to turn these all over. After turning all these pieces over, looking perfect. We're going to leave the oven off and we're going to just let it sit 5 minutes. Once it's going to cool down a little bit, I'm going to take it out. Another 5 minutes, we let the chicken rest. So I'm going to pull it out. This is a perfect juicy chicken, and if you want a little bit crunchier, then definitely you can turn the broil on and you can let it, you can cook another 5 minutes. But this is the perfect. With a half an hour, this is a perfectly moist and juicy chicken. And I can show you our tray. Look at the tray. All the water in there. And all the fat drained into the water. And now we have a healthy chicken. Our oven roasted garlic chicken is all ready, and as you can see, each pieces, the meat is pulled back, and when you cook with the steam, it cooks up to the bone. Look at this. This is a perfect chicken and it's so juicy and so moist. Once you will eat it, you will love it. Share with you, I'll break it. Look at these pieces. Oh, look at the whole chicken is nicely cooked. You just break it. So this is super moist. Super juicy. It's so good, very tasty. I feel like eating it, but I have to finish the video. So please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.